Hi, today it's going to be a very short video. Today is day 22, I think, and I was really not in the mood to actually shoot a video today because today morning I had work from home, but it was a very hectic day because we had guests at home, and then eventually I had to come at a cafe where I had to do a meeting which is very important because tomorrow I have a photo shoot as well. Basically, there were like a lot of things happening at the moment, and it was like a very mentally draining day. Once I was done with sorting out all these things, I had to go to Andheri. So basically, this was a place which is like an hour away from my place. I had to go over there on a Activa, and it took almost more than an hour for me to reach because it's a Saturday, and of course there was like a lot of traffic. It was basically my founder's engagement, and of course I had to be there. So I went over there, sat over there, went through the whole thing. It was very cute actually watching him propose his goal. It was very overwhelming. I don't know why. I any which ways have been a lot emotional since the last 2-3 weeks, something like that. Like I've become way too sensitive in regards with all these emotions. I'm not complaining. I'm just observing a particular thing about myself. Uh, yeah, it was very overwhelming and it was very cute and wholesome to watch him do that. It was like a very Bollywood type of a setup happened, like a proper rom-com kind of a thing happened. Pretty cute. I liked it. Very overwhelming. The food was good. Now I've come back over here. I don't really have anything to talk about. Like nothing is coming up on my mind. Like basically, creatively, I'm too fucked up over here. I'm not able to think of anything that I can speak at the moment. But I was like, showing up is more important, and being consistent is more important. Being perfect is not important. See, and another topic just came up. No, like for real. I just wanted to. I didn't really want to break the streak just because I don't really have anything to talk about. I was I was able to talk about few things. Uh, I know it's not work related, it's just like personal stuff that's happening. But I think what matters for me at the moment is that I'm actually talking in front of the camera, and I am building that presence. So, yeah, that's my two cents over here. See you all. Peace out.